Good morning, students. So today in our English class, we are going to learn about a new concept. And as you can see, I have given so many figures over here. So answer me few questions which I am going to ask you. Tell me, who is he? He is a boy. Who is he? He is a boy. His name is Sam. His name is Sam. Now, who is she? She is a girl. Who is she? She is a girl. And her name is Anna. Her name is Anna. Now, you can see a figure over here. There is one child in her laps, in her hands. So, who is she? She is a mother. Who is she? She is a mother. Who is he now? You can see the child is playing with him. He is a father. He is a father. Your papa. Now, who is he? He is a grandfather. He is a grandfather. Who is she? She is a grandmother. She is a grandmother. So children, as you can observe that we are using words he and she. He, she. The word he is used for boy, father, uncle, grandfather, king, any male person, or for masculine gender. Okay? And the words she is used for girls, for your mother, for your grandmother, for any of your friend who is a girl. And for queen, princess, for all the feminine gender, we use she. And for boys and papas, uncles, grandfathers, we use words like he. So, this is the concept of he and she. Now, once again, we will match these pictures now. If I ask you, what should we use with this picture? It's a boy's picture. So, what should we use? He or she? Yes, very good. We use he for the boys. So, I am going to join this picture with this he. As you can see, I have joined it he. Now, what is this picture? This is a girl's picture. So, for girls, what do we use? He or she? We use she. So, I am going to join it with this she. Now, with mother or with feminine gender, what do we use? He or she? She. So, I am going to join it with our green balloon on the right hand side. She. Parents, remember, he and she are sight words. Sight words are those which are not spoken phonically, but these are learnt by watching every day. Every day when the child will read he and you will say that it is he is going to learn by sight. He, she. It is not spoken phonically. Okay? Now what is this? It's a picture of a father. So for father, what should we use? He or she? He. So we are going to join this picture here with our he balloon. Now, what is this? This is a picture of our grandfather. This is a picture of our grandfather. So where should I join it? With he or with she? Yes, with he. So I am going to join this picture with he balloon again. Now this is the last one. This is a picture of our grandmother. What should we use? He or she? She. So I am again going to join it over here. This is our he and she concept. So children, one of the exercise we are going to do today. First of all, you will write the date here. That is 2020.10.2020. CW ma'am has already written. Now, fill the blanks by using he or she. Fill the blanks by using he or she. Children, which is this community helper? Yes, it's a doctor. Now, can you make out what should we use, he or she? See here carefully. Yes, it's a male person, so we are going to use H-E, he. H, small we can make here, and E also we will make here small. Though we start with capital letter, but here we are going to write in small only, so that the child does not get confused. H-E, he. He is a doctor. Now, what is this? This is a picture of a nurse, and you can see it is a feminine picture. So, what are we going to use? We are going to use S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Now, the sentence is already written. Dash is a policeman. Now tell me, here what should we use for him? He or she? He is a male, so we are going to write H-E, he. Now, Dash is a teacher. Now you can see this picture is wearing a skirt. So, what should we use, he or she? We should use she. S-H-E. She. Now for the last one. What is it? This community helper is a farmer. This community helper is a farmer. What should we use? For male person, what do we use? He or she? Yes, he. So we are going to write H-E, he. He is a farmer. He is a doctor. She is a nurse. He is a policeman. She is a teacher. And he is a farmer. Likewise, you are going to do it in homework. Practice well. For any query, post it on e-feedback. Bye-bye. Take care.